In today's video, I am going to show you how to edit the total price filter on Vrbo so you can quickly find vacation rentals that fit your budget. This is a really handy feature if you want to avoid listings that are outside your price range and keep your planning stress-free. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever you prefer, and go to the Vrbo website. Once you're on the home page, enter your travel details in the search bar, type in your destination, then select your check-in and check-out dates, and finally choose the number of guests. This helps Vrbo show the most accurate results for your trip. After you run the search, you'll see a list of available properties. At the top of the page, look for the filters option and click on it. This is where you can refine your search to better match your preferences. Now, scroll down until you find the price section. Here, you'll see options to set a minimum and maximum total price for your stay. You can drag the sliders to adjust your price range, or manually type in exact amounts if you want more control. This ensures that only properties within your chosen budget appear in the results. Once you've set your price range, close the filters and review the updated listings. Now everything you see should fall within the total price you're comfortable with, making it much easier to compare options without worrying about unexpected costs. And that's it, you've successfully edited the total price filter on Vrbo. This simple step helps you stay on budget while still finding great places to stay. Happy browsing and enjoy planning your next trip.